Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a swap that I was in with, it's hosted by Miss Susan Tootsie Tucker here on YouTube. I will leave her link in my description box below. It's a monthly swap she hosts. The information will be on her website in the link. But my swap partner this month is from Canada. Her name is Cheryl. And so it is a die cut swap. The theme was sentiments. And so let's dig in and see what she has sent. This swap is so fun every month. I am building my die cut collection without having the dies, so I have like lots more options. I like it. I love it. If you didn't see my last month's swap, I will put a link to the video there. Wow, look at how pretty. Okay, Cheryl, let's see what you got. Oh, she says hello. She sent some sprinkle mixes. Let's take it out because of the glare. And sorry for the crinkling. Oh, this is a cute little kit. So cute. I like that bag topper. You know, I'm gonna be reusing this packaging for sure. But she shared some washi with me. Beautiful. And look at this beautiful green flowers. Green's my favorite color. I love those flowers. And some, oh, these are cute ladybug sequins. And I think there might be butterfly ones in there too. And then I love this color of sequins. This is a pretty mix. And then some die cut pieces here. Cool. For some mini, well, maybe not so mini, but for some rosettes, for some embellishments. Oh, thank you so much, Cheryl. And then look at her beautiful die cut swap is in this packaging. And then let's look at the card first. Beautiful. Oh, sending a smile. How beautiful. Look at that. Love it. So Cheryl is not on YouTube, but she is on Instagram. Her Instagram is TaylorCheryl440. I will leave a link in my description box below so you guys can go check her out. Okay, I'm just gonna rip this. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my goodness, look at how cool. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is beautiful. I love it. Did you make this? Oh, she's got a little swan embellishing here, some clusters of flowers and die cuts here, another cluster here and here. Oh, I love it. So beautiful. Perfect. Good vibes only. Yes. And the back. Did you include this? It came like this. I don't know. You might have made it. It's sewn. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at nice pocket here. Beautiful. So she's got some hello sentiments. I love the colors. It's two different fonts. So check those out. And then she has them in another font, like a all lowercase. Ooh. Then she's got some high ones. This is cool because this right off the bat is hello, hi. I love it. And then more hello, hello sunshine. I don't have any of these die cuts. For you. You make me sending. Oh yeah, so that's what she put on the card. This one here. She's included some of those. Thank you. Summer. Perfect. Thank you. Shine. Shine bright. The negative. Thanks. Thanks. Yes, I need lots of thank you and I don't have a lot. Love it. Happy birthday. I don't have any of these. These are going to be great. Love these. Yes. Cheryl, thank you so much. Oh, that's a beautiful one too. Love the colors of the paper. It is great. And I love this idea. Although I don't have a sewing machine. But I figure I could do a straight thingy. I would know how to do that. You would think. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, cool. And she made some already for me. Some card blanks. You can use them as shakers too. Yes. Thank you so much, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you. So Cheryl's die cuts are going out in the mail this weekend. And believe it or not, it only took a little over a week for me to get it from Canada. So maybe they're on it with the postage nowadays. But thank you so much, Cheryl. Thank you, Susan, for hosting once again every month this fabulous swap that I love to participate in. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for all the love and support. Mahalo. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!